Here we are strategizing. Happy birthday, Ali. It's her birthday today. Thank you. Empanadas! Look at this. Yum, yum. I'm so excited about the empanadas!
Last year she was second. She's gone one better this year. Your champion, the fastest person in the world from Norway, Christine True.
Ahí está la copa. Enhorabuena, nuestra admiración, Cristina.
Just the packing process afterwards.
We're not enough room for all of those without my extra bag.
Puzzles everywhere.
I will put my extra bag away last.
Yeah, I'll hold on to it. No, maybe? I thought Val said that she...
Apparently, after we do a whole weekend of puzzles, we come to Burger King. Do more puzzles.
More puzzles.
Hold on.
I got dos bolas in cucurucho.
A Valladolid.
We found a fountain and ice cream. It's delicious. There's the little stand we got it from. We're in the Plaza de Fuente Dorada. This is Fuente Dorada. It is the fountain that's in the Valladolid Jigsaw puzzle that Yvonne and I did in the pairs final. Look at it. We had to come and see it, of course. Hey, everybody's here. We're having dinner at Sali Salsa. Yeah. Alright, it's like almost midnight and we are walking to the bus station so that we can begin our very long journey to Zurich. Oh, I guess eventual destination somewhere else. It's time to cross the street. We made it on the bus. Either photobombing while you're sleeping. But yeah, here we are on the bus to Madrid. 4:30 a.m. bus. We'll get to the airport in a couple of hours. Nap time. And then, good night.